Welcome to the Appian Tech4TX training video for admin fee notifications. This tutorial will walk you through how administrative fees are calculated, including any late fees or credits, how to view your administrative notice in the Vendor Sales Reporting or VSR portal, walkthrough of the admin fee notice, and how to remit payments to DIR. Total administrative fees are determined based on your contract admin fee percent and is calculated based on the sales submitted in your VSR for the reporting period. Any late fees incurred that were not waived will be added to your total admin fee. If credits were submitted, approved, and indicated to apply to future admin fees, this credit amount will be reflected on your total admin fee. To learn more about credits, view the Submitting Credits video on this YouTube playlist. The formula for total admin fees is the sales reported multiplied by the admin fee percentage, plus any late fees minus approved credits. For example, if your reported sales were $100,000, 1% admin fee, late fees of $500, and credits approved of $200, the calculation would be $100,000 multiplied by 1%, plus $500 minus $200, which equals a total admin fee of $1,300. Vendors may submit their vendor sales report through the last calendar day of the month. Once the next month begins, DIR will review and begin the report period close process to notify vendors of their total administrative fees. Typically, this occurs 5 to 10 days after the last calendar day of the month. Vendor contacts listed on a contract will receive an email notification, including the PDF of the administrative fee. Administrative fee notices can also be downloaded from the VSR portal. To view admin fee notices in the portal, log in and navigate to the Vendor Sales Reporting portal. In the left side menu, click on the Contracts link. Click on the contract number, then click on the Sales Reports tab. All sales reports after the reporting period is closed will have a final status, such as Accepted, Closed, which will have a link in the Total Fees column that you can click on to download a PDF of the admin fee notice. Alternatively, you can click on the contract number for the sales report and download the admin fee notice. Click on the Generate Fee Notice button in order to email contacts on your contract with a copy of the admin fee notice. Now let's walk through an example PDF of your admin fee notice. The PDF includes your company name and address, as well as the date and time the fee notice was generated. Key information such as the contract number, reporting period, VSR due date, admin fee due date, and the amount due will be shown. The notice will include a breakdown of your fees such as the amount of sales reported, all approved credits applied to your admin fee, the calculated admin fee based on your contract admin fee percentage, late fees, and the total amount owed to DIR. For direct inquiries, the DIR finance contact and your DIR contract manager will be listed with their contact information. DIR offers two options to remit payments to DIR through ACH payments or by check. ACH payments, or bank-to-bank transfers, are preferred due to its speed, accuracy, and information that can be included. If your company is not set up for ACH payments, download the ACH payment form and send a copy to adminfee@dir.texas.gov for processing. Remitting via check can be mailed to the addresses listed on the form. Please be sure to view other training videos in this series on the DIR YouTube channel to learn more about the Appian Tech4TX platform. You can also contact DIR at tech4texas@dir.texas.gov with any questions. For contract-related questions, contact your assigned DIR contract manager.